France has tested a prototype engine for the new generation fighter, NGF, that it is developing alongside Germany and Spain as part of the larger Future Combat Air System, FCAS/System to Combat Aérien Future, SCAF. The new engine was envisioned as one that would have more thrust than the Rafales and the Eurofighter Typhoons, so that the new aircraft effectively replaces both these fighter jets in the longer run. High thrust means higher temperature. On 10 January, the French Defense Procurement Agency reported that a prototype engine under the Turenne program had successfully passed a ground test, utilizing a power plant adapted from the Snecma M88, which is now installed to the Dassault Rafale combat aircraft. The French, German, and Spanish governments have agreed the next phase of the jointly developed Future Combat Air System. The new terms say the first flight of a next-generation fighter jet demonstrator will take place by the end of 2027. The statement says the FCAS program directly contributes to the strengthening of sovereignty and the security of the partner nations in Europe. The FCAS will consist of a next-generation weapon system, NGWS, which includes a sixth-generation fighter jet, new generation fighter or NGF, swarming drones, and a combat cloud designed to ensure information superiority. This platform will eventually replace current French Rafales, German Typhoons, and Spanish F-18 Hornets. In April, a joint venture was formed for the development of the fighter jet's engine, which includes Safran aircraft engines and MTU Aero engines. The new entity, called UMIT, European Military Engine Team, will be based in Munich and will be headed by a Safran-nominated CEO. UMIT will oversee the development, production, and support of the engine to power new generation fighter. The joint venture will be the sole contract partner for the participating nations in the engine program. Safran aircraft engines and MTU Aero engines will work with Spanish company ITP Aero as a main partner to UMIT. Through UMIT, the partners will be developing the technology and demonstrators for a best-in-class engine that will meet the evolving needs of European armed forces. The new generation fighter, a sixth-generation fighter jet produced by France, Germany, and Spain as part of the Future Combat Air System, FCAS, will require more powerful engines than its predecessors, according to the French Ministry of Armed Forces. The higher the thrust, the higher has to be the temperature. At the turbine inlet, temperatures might exceed 2,100 Kelvin, 1,826.85 degrees Celsius, which is 250 Kelvin, 250 degrees Celsius, hotter than the M88. Such circumstances are beyond the capabilities of current materials. The French ministry had earlier stated at the outset of the engine program.